Indonesia is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, with a diverse range of landscapes including pristine beaches, lush rainforests, magnificent volcanoes, and unique wildlife. Here are 20 of the most beautiful natural places to visit in Indonesia. Komodo National Park, home to the iconic Komodo dragons and breathtaking marine life. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers fantastic diving and stunning landscapes. Baliem Valley, located in Papua, this lush valley is surrounded by towering mountains, traditional tribal villages, and terraced fields. Ampat Islands. This archipelago in West Papua is a paradise for divers, with vibrant coral reefs, crystal clear waters, and an incredible diversity of marine life. Mount Bromo, an active volcano in East Java. Mount Bromo is famous for its otherworldly landscape, with smoking craters, vast sand plains, and stunning sunrise views. Toba Lake, the largest volcanic lake in the world, located in North Sumatra. It offers serene surroundings, traditional Batak culture, and the unique Samosir Island. Ubud, nestled in the heart of Bali, Ubud is known for its lush rice terraces, vibrant art scene, traditional temples, and tranquil wellness retreats. Borobudur Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in central Java, this ancient Buddhist temple is one of the world's largest and most impressive. Mount Rinjani, located on Lombok Island, Mount Rinjani is a challenging yet rewarding trekking destination, offering stunning vistas, crater lakes, and hot springs. Gili Islands, a group of 3 small islands near Lombok, the Gili Islands boast pristine white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and excellent snorkeling and diving spots. Darawan Islands, situated in East Kalimantan, these remote islands feature crystal clear waters, colorful coral reefs, and encounters with sea turtles and manta rays. Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park, home to Mount Bromo and Mount Semeru, this national park in East Java offers dramatic landscapes, volcanic peaks, and unique Tenggerese culture. Tanjung Puting National Park, located in central Kalimantan, this park is famous for its orangutan conservation efforts and river cruises through dense rainforests. Thousand Islands, Kepulauan Seribu, a group of islands off the coast of Jakarta, offering beautiful beaches, clear waters, and a tranquil escape from the bustling city. Nusa Penida, this island, located southeast of Bali, is known for its dramatic cliffs, pristine beaches, and world-class diving spots like Crystal Bay and Manta Point. Mentawai Islands, situated off the coast of West Sumatra, the Mentawai Islands are a surfer's paradise, with perfect waves, lush forests, and unique indigenous culture. Alor Archipelago, a hidden gem in East Nusa Tenggara, Alor offers spectacular diving opportunities, vibrant coral reefs, and traditional villages. Diang Plateau, located in central Java, this highland region boasts misty landscapes, ancient Hindu temples, colorful lakes, and geothermal activity. Wakatobi National Park, situated in southeast Sulawesi, this marine national park is known for its pristine coral reefs, abundant marine life, and superb snorkeling and diving experiences. Ijen Crater, a volcanic crater complex in East Java, Ijen is famous for its mesmerizing blue fire phenomenon, sulfur mining, and turquoise acid lake. Lake Meninjau, nestled in a volcanic caldera in West Sumatra, this tranquil lake offers breathtaking panoramas, traditional Minangkabau villages, and opportunities for paragliding. These are just a few of the many incredible natural places to explore in Indonesia. Remember to check the local regulations and travel advisories, and preserve the environment while visiting these beautiful destinations.